Welcome back to Budz React, guys, and today we're going to be doing yet another funny compilation. This time it'll be animals instead of people. It's going to be funny cats and dogs.
My Happy Dog channel.
My, my happy dog. It's going to be quite hilarious. I love animals. I think they're fantastic. Even when they're not doing funny stuff, they're just fantastic. So if you get a chance, check out that channel. Also, hit the like button and subscribe. We're on our way to 300 subscribers. The momentum's rolling. Help be a part of the journey to get to 1,000 eventually. But we're working it one step at a time. That being said, let's jump right into the video and see what's up.
And by the way, as much as I love dogs and stuff, I just got messed up by a dog yesterday. They bit my thumb. You can't see it in the camera really, but it's all bruised and stuff. But poor doggy got caught in my keys on my waist when he got excited and saw me at a door, and he panicked and started biting. He's a big dog, dude. One of those. I don't know what he was. He had like the fur of a poodle, but he was like a massive he was bred with something else, but he was massive. He was like as tall as me almost. I'm 6 foot. That's the kind of dog eventually he'll wake himself up probably.
The Mastiff. He's another huge dog.
Dude, that cat is nuts.
Have you ever tried to do that with Batman?
No, he was not. I guess they probably did a little bit. He wasn't really active though. But Batman passed away a couple years ago.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all right. I love my toy. I love it.
Doggy said, "Play with me."
Fight back. Hey mom, what happened? Oh, that was good, dude. Oh.
I did not see that one coming. That was hilarious.
Wow. No. Oh, wow.
Give me that chicken nugget.
Mom, stop teasing me. Give me the nugget.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
That was pretty good.
What are you sniffing here?
What are you sniffing?
Have you seen this thing?
Uncle, there's nothing there.
It's crazy.
His feet.
That face. What the heck are these things?
The cat has a foot fetish.
That was funny. I was not. At first, I had no idea those ankles. Oh, little kitty!
Oh.
That looked just like my old cat, man. He would do that same kind of stuff, jump in bags, boxes. Dude, his face looks exactly the same. I miss little kitty. Where's the animal at? Oh, it's gonna get the
I'm
food.
getting it.
Yeah, for sure.
This has got to be a
Oh,
dog.
here it comes.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that. And hurry up, get the rest of it real quick. And that. And I gotta hurry up and get out of here. Oh man, he's not even. He's like, you know what? I don't even care about my escape. I'm cleaning the whole plate. All right, you know what? That's enough. He's holding his little buddy.
Нет.
That was like a demon dog, bro.
Нет.
Hey, that cat looks like it's already taken a chunk out of your skin.
Yeah, the cat said, I ain't playing today.
Нельзя.
Said, but you taste so good.
It's like mesmerized.
You didn't miss it.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, this is not gonna go well.
Dogs are not. Oh no! Oh no! Damn.
First off, hold on, pause it for a second. Dude, first off, you're the owner. You need to go over there and help,
I think
help the dog.
I think the owner knew like there's so much stuff in between the dog and the owner that by the time the owner gets over to the dog's panicking and jumping down. Anyway, look at him panic.
Poor dog, man.
Oh man, dude, he hit his nuts too. Oh, oh.
This is his moment. He knew he fucked up.
Damn, that should hurt.
Oh, the cat. The cat in the bag are in the back.
Bro, what are you
Oh,
doing?
yeah. He said I wanted the squirrel, bro.
TV time is canceled. Yep. That was funny. Oh, this is good. He's gonna hit his face. Oh! That's so funny. The first one looked like he got smacked really good. Oh. Dude, dogs are so funny.
Oh, hey.
He looked
He
over
caught
there.
on.
He looked, oh, what the hell, man? Is it you?
Здрасте.
What?
Как ваши дела?
I'm hanging out.
Вообще-то я купаться собирался.
It's rare you see a cat that likes going in water. Yeah, that's not rare though. Cats love to do that shit. He'll knock, watch, he'll knock another one down too. Yep. He'll probably hit the last one too. These cats love doing this. Yeah. I don't know why they like to do that kind of stuff. It's so funny. Only I can stand on here. Oh my! When you have two dogs like that, one jumps and one spins, that's wild. Well, now you just got a gifted, you have a gifted dog at this one. Uh-oh.
He's gonna come back and knock it over. Oh, that would have been hilarious. He said, Mom, this is a big stick.
Look what I found! Take that shit back, it's a whole tree!
What you got?
That dog has strong jaws.
That was funny. Oh, another talented cat.
Hitting it.
Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Adorable.
He's so concentrated too.
Oh, this one.
Marley, what do you think you're doing?
Nothing.
No.
I told you you can't bring them in.
Give me that.
That's my stick, man. Come on. He almost went back outside with it.
Ладно, еще громче, давай.
That's so funny, man. Dogs are great.
Молодец. А теперь тихо. Молодец. Еще тише.
How do you
What
even train?
the heck? That cat a little skittish. She said, "Don't touch my toes." What did I just say? Don't touch my toes.
Watching TV with a German Shepherd be like.
Here, take this. Put my booty in your face.
He said, "I told you I don't want to play." Oh.
He's even got his back legs inside the other cup holder.
That cat was hilarious, man. He was just out. This one over here is exploring. Oh no! I keep going in, man. I don't like it in there.
And back in.
Yep, one more time. This shit is wild.
What is this human contraption?
Oh, just some more knocking stuff over. So subtle
no.
about it. It's gonna act like
Oh no,
it's-
you're just watching that. That glass breaks, it's on you.
Yeah, oh yeah. You definitely can't blame the cat on that one. You let that one happen.
Oh, get it. He said,
Been
nah,
chasing it all night, damn it. Do something with it.
smack it. It's Tom and Jerry.
They're friends.
Yeah, they're friends.
He's gonna hop on the back of him.
Mice are friends. Not food.
He said, "What
He
the
said,
hell?
no, I don't like this. I don't
know
like
if
this.
I don't know if I like this. Get this thing off me. I'm gonna walk low to the ground."
Tom said, Jerry, this is not a joke anymore. Get off.
Unbelievable.
Get it off. Hurry up. Will you get this thing off
Cat,
me?
you are unbelievable.
He said, alright, it ain't getting off. I'll get it off. The cat and the mouse had a little talk. They were like, you know what? Maybe we have some similarities. That was great. Be sure to check that channel out, Happy Dog. I'm sure they have other kind of funny animal videos and such. And be sure to, if you like these funny videos, like the animal ones, less like sciencey and educational ones, you want to watch some more of these funny ones, let us know down below in the comments. And yeah, click the subscribe button, thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
Oh, hey, all those that are giving us feedback, we appreciate it. It helps us get better. So, yeah, keep commenting, keep giving us feedback, keep suggesting videos. It always helps. Anything helps. So,
Yep.
anyways.
Yeah, we like the feedback for sure. Constructive criticism.
Yes, sir.
Take it easy.